Hello, my YouTube friends. Welcome to my kitchen. The Thanksgiving celebration is approaching and we all make plans about our menu. For my Thanksgiving table, I will do 12 appetizers. And in this 3-part video series, I will show you how I make 3 of them. By the way, watch an episode or video of my last year Thanksgiving table and I will leave a link above. Making these videos gives me a good chance to parade my beautiful fall dinnerware. I will leave a link above for a special video on all my fall dinnerware. Today we will do an appetizer that I call mushroom rolls. My first appetizer will be mushroom rolls, and here on display some major ingredients that I will be using for this appetizer. A big onion, around 2 pounds of mushrooms, I'm using portobello, some greens for decorations and garnishes, and these egg wraps to make my rolls. First, let me show how I prepared onions and mushrooms. I chopped 1 big white onion, and now I am going to saute it until it's golden brown. The onion is already softened, but I need to saute it a little bit more to obtain this golden brown color. It's ready and I will turn off the heat. And while my onion was cooking, I chopped my mushrooms. I started cooking my mushrooms and I will wait until they release their liquid and then I will add spices. The liquid appeared, so I will keep cooking it. I added salt and pepper to my liking, and that's the only spices that I will add. You can add some garlic, minced garlic, but only when you are sure that all your guests like garlic in their dishes. Mushrooms are ready. I will let them cool and combine them with my cooked onions. As the next step, I will combine mushrooms with onions, and I already opened my wraps. I mix my onions and mushrooms and I adjusted the amount of salt and pepper to my liking. You can do the same. I am placing 1 egg wrap on a board, and by the way, the package has 6 of them. And now I will spread my filling, mushroom filling. When spreading, make sure that you leave space around the edges so your filling does not fall out of the wrapping. And now I will start making rolls. The first roll is done, and probably I will manage to do 2 more with this amount of mushrooms left. And then I will cut those long rolls into shorter ones. I will show you at the end. When you have the roll like this, for extra support, you can use the rest 3 wraps and wrap each in the second layer. Just wrap around and cut off the ends because they are not so usable. You want only pieces that are full of mushroom stuffing. My appetizer is done, So these are my wraps. Of course, they are not so sturdy, and some mushrooms filling can fall out, but what can help if you add to the mushrooms and onion mixture some shredded cheese and then warm it up, so the cheese will keep the mushroom stuffing more sturdy. Another option is place each roll on a separate piece of greenery, so your guests have a so-called bottom, green bottom, to hold your rolls together. Please write in your comments from what country you're watching this video, and also share your unique Thanksgiving recipes. Join me for the next video where I will share with you a recipe for my second Thanksgiving appetizer.